हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द वीकली मूवी रिकमेंडेशंस विद संकेत। सो आज के एपिसोड के लिए मैंने एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया है, जिसका नाम तेज भानु है। तेज एक इंडस्ट्री इंसाइडर है जो बॉलीवुड में काम कर चुका है। वो टोटल धमाल और अपकमिंग हॉटस्टार पे जो आने वाली है फिल्म द बिग बुल, वो ये दो फिल्म के लिए वो स्क्रिप्ट सुपरवाइज़र भी था। और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वो एक इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर भी है। So over to you, Tej.
Hi people, hope you are safe and good. Firstly, thanks to Sanket for making me part of this review session. I am Bhanu Tej. I've been into the industry for a while, working as an assistant director and script and continuity supervisor. That's all about me and coming to the review session. Today I'm going to review a Telugu film called Manam. It's a romantic drama which narrates the story of three generation of reincarnation. Directed by Vikram K Kumar, the film's writing is definitely hooking, and your ride of experience into the story stays on, covering the elements like destiny, romance, and reincarnation, also with humor. The film stars Akineni Nagarjuna, Akineni Nageshwar Rao, and Akineni Nagachaitanya, Samantha and Shriya Sharan in the primary cast. As you know, as I mentioned Akineni so many times, in real life also they are related, as you see in the film, as three generations. Special, that's the most special point. Be it emotions, love, and pinch of comedy, this film is throughout entertainer, connecting the viewer's mind and heart. Technically, this film out this film is an outstanding platform of a pure commercial cinema. Maybe the colors, the lights, the art direction, the richness says the film is purely a good example of a pure commercial cinema. Coming to the music is melodious and extremely breezy. Heart touching background music gives you the proper feel of this musical drama film. So that's about the film. I hope you should watch the film and experience the proper family musical and romantic drama of that era. It's not a period film. It's definitely not a period film, but it shows three generations. How do they come back to their reincarnation, and how do they remember their memories which were there in previous lives, their love stories, their relation between their families, the father and son and father. So that family culture and love between them is shown very nicely in the film. This film is available on Geo Cinema or the MX player. So you'll have a best watch, I promise. So the second film which I'm going to review today is a Korean film, named in English as The Way Home and in Korean as Jibyero. So this film is completely a feel-good film depicting the strange contrast between two characters, a grandmother and a grandson, and her grandson. So the story revolves around when a grandson uh, comes to the grandmother uh, to live for a few days. So the story revolves between them, the conversation, a little innocent fights between them, and the uh, mute conversations, the feelings between them. As I said, mute. The grandmother in the film is mute, so she can't speak, but her reactions and the stages or the elements where she reacts in the film is completely heart touching. towards his grandson. So these two contrasts of these characters makes the film a better feel good film. So coming to the taking is completely the Akira Kurosawa style, with their long shots explaining the earthy nature all around, and the plastic lives of people, also their daily activities. That's how Akira Kurosawa has been taking his films towards into the people's hearts. So this film is available on YouTube. It's, I again promise, it's a better watch. It's a binge and a better watch. You will be you will be in a ride, going going through two different contrasts in your own lives, maybe, or in any lives which you have seen in other films or something. But yes, this film will definitely drag yourself to your phone and make a simple call to your grandmother for sure. Thank you. Thank you, Sanket.